If you're looking for a professional, reliable, and affordable local cleaning service, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local cleaning service, and our team has years of experience cleaning all types of commercial and residential properties. Our company is bonded and insured, and our cleaning team will get the job done right the first time. From kitchens to bathrooms, carpets to tile, dusting to glass cleaning, our team can do it all. If you want a quote on your cleaning service, contact one of our friendly staff now for a free, no obligation consultation.